This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only and utilizes artificial intelligence, AI. The information provided may not always be accurate. For important decisions, consult experts or professionals.
As always, you, as a storyteller to us who are like children, tell us the story of the movie What the Bleep Do We Know? We're excited to learn about this film.
Come, let's journey together into the extraordinary world of What the Bleep Do We Know? A movie that excites not only the mind but also the heart and soul. Amanda's journey. At the heart of our story, we meet Amanda, a photographer seemingly walking in the shadow of her own life. She carries a heavy burden, wounds from the past and unanswered questions. Amanda's world seems typical at first glance, but beneath it lies a deeper meaning. As she pushes through each day, she finds herself in situations that compel her to ask, what is reality? What is true? Who am I in the vastness of this universe? The science and spirituality. As we follow Amanda, another layer of the movie unfolds. This isn't just a simple linear story. It feels like a class in quantum physics. Yes, the unseen world, the realm of atoms, possibilities, and energy, takes center stage. Experts, scientists, physicists, and spiritual leaders explain that reality isn't as simple as what we see. Every thought, feeling, and intention has an effect on the world. It's as if the movie is telling us, you create your own reality. A unique experience. One day, Amanda finds herself in a basketball court. But this isn't an ordinary court. There's a peculiar coach who seems to tell her that the game isn't just about the ball. It's about possibilities. Every move has consequences, and every choice creates something new. As we watch this unfold, it feels like the movie is also asking us, what could you achieve if you believed everything was possible? The message of the movie. At the end of her journey, Amanda learns that she is not a victim of her past or of the events that happened to her. She is a creator, a part of a vast, ever-evolving universe. She comes to understand that her emotions, thoughts, and beliefs are not just confined within her. They shape her life experiences. The way you think is the way you shape your life. A little reflection. The movie feels like an invitation to us. When was the last time you looked at your own life and asked, are my beliefs true? Can I change the course of my life? This is the question the movie wants to leave with all of us, that perhaps the answer to life's biggest questions doesn't have to be complicated. Maybe the key to creating a better future is already within us. What the Bleep Do We Know is not just a film to watch, it's one to feel, experience, and ponder over and over again. It's a movie for those seeking meaning in the depths of their being. Are you ready to create your own story in life?
Absolutely ready. By the way, you mentioned quantum physics earlier. Could you explain it to us in layman's terms, something most of us can easily understand?
Sure, let's talk about quantum physics in the simplest way possible, as if we're just having a casual chat. What is quantum physics? Quantum physics is the study of the smallest parts of the universe, atoms and particles even smaller than atoms. If our world were a house, quantum physics would be the study of each grain of sand that makes up that house. But here's the twist, things in quantum physics don't behave like the objects we see and interact with every day. The world of tiny things. Example, if you throw a ball, you know exactly where it will go because its movement is predictable. But in quantum physics, particles, like electrons and photons, are like magical balls that can be in many places at once, all at the same time. They can't seem to decide where to land. This is what we call superposition. It's as if a light switch is both on and off at the same time. Or like the famous Schrödinger's cat, which is both alive and dead, until you observe it. The role of observation. One of the most fascinating aspects of quantum physics is the role of observation. Experiments show that when you look at a particle, it suddenly decides to be in one definite state. Your act of observing it affects how it behaves. This suggests that your attention has power. Whatever you focus on becomes real in a certain way. Quantum physics in our lives. Now you might be wondering, what does this have to do with my life? Here's the practical side. In quantum physics, possibilities are limitless. In any situation, multiple outcomes are possible, and you, through your thoughts and actions, can influence the result. Imagine this: what if every choice you make is like observing a particle? What if you could change your life simply by changing how you think and decide? A simple example. Picture a glass of water that's half full. If you see it as half full, you feel gratitude. If you see it as half empty, it might bring about negative emotions. It's the same glass, but your perspective creates a different impact. This is similar to quantum physics. Your perspective can change the outcome. The magic and science. Quantum physics seems to be saying, not everything is predetermined. You have the power to shape your life. Just as particles have endless possibilities, so does your life. It's up to you to decide which of those possibilities becomes real. Conclusion. You don't need to be a scientist to understand the essence of quantum physics. It simply tells us that our world is full of mystery and possibility. Most importantly, your thoughts, intentions, and perspective play a big role, not just in your life but in the universe as a whole. May the story of quantum physics inspire you to think positively and approach life with an open mind.
So that's how it is. At least I've gained a bit of understanding. Now, can you share with us the key points from this movie?
Exactly. What the Bleep Do We Know is packed with powerful lessons that truly make us rethink life and how we perceive it. Here are the most important takeaways from the movie that you can carry with you. 1. Life is what you believe it to be. The movie illustrates that our beliefs and thoughts have a direct impact on our experiences. If you believe you're limited, chances are, you'll experience limitations. But if you believe in possibilities, you'll start noticing opportunities. Takeaway: your mindset shapes your reality. Choose to believe in the positive. 2. Your emotions have power. The movie explains how our emotions literally affect our bodies. In one scene, a study on water is shown. When exposed to positive intentions, like love, it forms beautiful crystalline shapes. When exposed to negativity, like anger, it becomes chaotic. Takeaway: the way you think and feel affects not only your emotions but also your physical health. 3. You have control over your mind. The brain functions like a machine that can rewire itself through repeated thoughts and actions, a concept called neuroplasticity. Thinking positively strengthens neural pathways that lead to positive feelings and behaviors. Takeaway: you can change habits and perspectives by disciplining your mind. 4. The universe is full of possibilities. A central theme of the movie is quantum physics and the concept of possibilities. On a microscopic level, nothing happens until it is observed. Similarly, in life, you have the power to choose your path. Takeaway: there are always options. You're not confined to one path. Life is a series of endless possibilities. 5. Your relationship with yourself is key. As Amanda journeys through the movie, she realizes that her relationship with herself mirrors how she interacts with the world. Loving yourself leads to a better life overall. Takeaway: begin with self-love and self-awareness. When you're good with yourself, every other aspect of life improves. 6. Everything is connected. The movie also explains that everything in the world is interconnected: people, energy, and nature. What you think and do impacts not just you but also those around you. Takeaway: be mindful of your actions and words. They can influence others positively or negatively. 7. You are the creator of your life. The movie encourages viewers to see themselves as co-creators of their lives. Your decisions, intentions, and actions shape your life. You're not a victim of fate, you're an active participant. Takeaway: don't wait for change, create it. 8. Stay open to learning and questioning. The title's question, "What the bleep do we know?" reminds us that there's so much we don't understand. Being open to new ideas, science, and experiences leads to deeper self-awareness and understanding of the world. Takeaway: always ask questions. Stay open to change and learning. Conclusion: this movie feels like an invitation. Look within yourself and ask, what can I do? How can I change my life? It's not just a film but an experience, one that reshapes how you think about yourself and the world. How will you apply these lessons in your life?
That's right. It's good that you asked. How can we apply these lessons in our lives?
That's an excellent question. To live out the lessons from What the Bleep Do We Know, here are some simple steps you can take in your daily life. 1. Replace negative beliefs. If you have beliefs that hold you back, ask yourself, is this really true, or is it just something I think? For instance, if you believe you're not enough, try reversing it. Tell yourself every day, I am enough. I deserve love and to be loved. Practicing positive self-talk can transform your perspective on life. 2. Take time to be grateful. The film emphasizes how emotions like gratitude can transform our energy. Try gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you're thankful for each day. Gratitude helps you notice the good in life, making you happier. 3. Observe your emotions. When you feel stressed or angry, pause and take a deep breath. Ask yourself, why am I feeling this way? Identify the root of the emotion, but don't let it control you. Choose a way to restore calm, like listening to music or going for a walk. 4. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Being present in the moment can help you feel more in control of your life. Try a simple meditation: sit quietly, take deep breaths, and focus on your breathing. Mindfulness helps you become aware of your thoughts and actions, allowing you to make more deliberate choices. 5. Take small actions daily. Possibilities become reality through action. If you have a goal, start with small steps. For example, if you want to get healthier, begin with 10 minutes of exercise daily. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to significant changes. 6. Invest in your relationship with yourself. Self-love is vital. Try things that bring you joy. Spend time on hobbies or activities that inspire you. Forgive yourself for mistakes. Everyone makes them, they're part of learning. 7. Stay open to change. Quantum physics shows that possibilities are endless. Don't fear change. Seek new experiences or try something you've always wanted to do. Remember, every change you face is an opportunity to grow. 8. Share positive energy. Everyone's energy is connected. To create positive change, start with yourself and share it with others. Speak kind words to others. Help in simple ways. A smile or a thank you can make a big difference. A simple daily guide. Morning, think of one positive thing for your day. Evening, be grateful for 3 good things that happened, no matter how small. Every day, take a moment to breathe and reflect. The most important lesson. Believe that you can change your life. As the film shows, you're not a victim of fate. You are a powerful being capable of creating your reality. So, tomorrow, which of these steps would you like to try first?
Another wonderful story from this movie that you've shared with us. May our followers have enjoyed it and reflected on it. Once again, thank you so much. Until our next storytelling session.
Thank you, too, for your continued support, and to our listeners who are always there to tune in and reflect on our stories. I hope this movie has provided inspiration and helped deepen our understanding of our role in the world. Let's always remember, our minds and hearts hold the power to shape our lives. Until our next storytelling session, friends. Let's keep asking, exploring, and seeking light in every chapter of our journey. Goodbye for now, and may your days be filled with love, inspiration, and endless possibilities.